Holding on to phrasal verbs. Mastering. Hold on. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of phrasal verbs, specifically focusing on the phrasal verb, hold on. This common English phrase can mean different things depending on the context. So, let's get started. Hold on is a phrasal verb, which is a verb combined with a preposition or an adverb. In our case, hold is our verb and on is our preposition. Now, hold on is an interesting phrasal verb because it can have several different meanings depending on the context. The first and most common use of hold on is to tell someone to wait. For example, if you're on a phone call and need to leave for a moment, you might say, hold on, I'll be right back. Example sentence, can you hold on a second? I'm just finishing up this email. The second meaning of hold on is to grip tightly onto something. This is often used when you want someone to be careful not to fall or drop something. Example sentence, you should hold on to the railing while going down the stairs. Finally, hold on can also mean to persevere or continue, especially when things are difficult. Example sentence, times are tough, but we need to hold on and keep moving forward. Understanding phrasal verbs like hold on can really enrich your English language skills. Remember, it's all about the context in which it's used. Try using hold on in its different meanings, and you'll be sure to impress with your grasp of English. Thanks for watching and hold on to your language learning journey. It's a wild ride, but you're doing great.